Welcome to Chapter. Today we will understand the difference between no and not. These small words are often confused by learners, leading to grammatical mistakes. Let's look at their correct usage with examples. The key difference is that no usually comes before a noun and works like a determiner. Not, on the other hand, is used with verbs or to make a sentence negative. They are not interchangeable. No is followed by a noun. It can replace not any. For example, no students means not any students. Not is used with verbs, often with helping verbs like is, do, or have. It negates the action or state of the verb. In the first incorrect sentence, not is wrongly used before a noun. It should be no. In the second, no is wrongly used with a verb phrase, it should be not. These examples show how both no and not can be used in similar contexts, but they must follow the right structure. No replaces the noun directly. Not modifies the verb. To summarize, use no before nouns and not with verbs or adjectives. Confusing the two can change the meaning or create incorrect grammar. Thank you for watching. In my next chapter, I'll cover another common error, the use of double negatives. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.